In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps section. Then tap on Manage Apps. Select those three dots at the top right corner and click on Other Settings. Finally, select the default apps and manage all of those however you want to. Just tap on the chosen one, click on your new one to apply it, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!